I'm Simon Miceli. I'm the Managing Director for the Cloud and AI Infrastructure business for APJC. The AI Rally Kit program, it's a major investment in AI infrastructure, full stack AI infrastructure, that can be utilised by our partner community to build AI use cases that bring AI outcomes to life for their customers. Hardware these days is hard to come by. It's expensive, there are supply chain issues. So this is Cisco getting ahead of that, investing in that infrastructure, dropping it in locally so that our partner community can not just build AI use cases, but also build their AI practices to meet the needs of their customers. Cisco chose Dicker Data as partners in the AI Rally Kit program because our aim is scale and reach. Infrastructure at the moment is incredibly expensive. It's hard to get with supply chain issues, and we needed to partner with an organisation that can reach as many partners and customers as possible. Cisco chose to partner with Dicker Data because we're in a time when infrastructure is incredibly expensive and also just hard to obtain because of supply chain issues. So when we make these investments, we need to partner with an organisation that has scale and reach. And there is no better partner in the Australian market than Dicker Data to bring this to our partner community, but also our customer base. Cisco's strategy is to build a secure AI factory in partnership with NVIDIA. What this means is we provide the industry-leading compute networking technology. We partner with the leading storage vendors in the market, but then we bring some really unique aspects to this stack. Our deep investments in the cybersecurity portfolio to make it a secure AI factory, and through our investments in Splunk, an observability platform that gives us deep visibility across the entire platform.